Hi, this is Ryan Noble, Marketing Specialist for Ware. Welcome back to video number 3 in our Tech Tips series where we go over how to manage locations. If you missed our first two videos, you can watch them from our YouTube channel by clicking the link on the screen. Alright, let's get started. During the initial setup of new customers, the first thing we do regarding locations is define the different levels in the location structure. Our support team does this based on the customer's unique operation. Ware location types make up these levels and by default include 4 levels titled Campus, Building, Floor, and Room. Location types can be modified to track a greater number or a fewer number of levels. No matter the number, an entry is required for each level when assigning locations and forms. Label names are set for location types and are displayed as field labels in forms. These field labels can be changed upon request. Once location types are defined, we can start populating Ware with specific locations. To do this, we have to click on the System Settings button, navigate to Location Management, then select Locations. We start by creating our top-level locations. If we use our default structure as an example, we would create all of our campus-level locations first. In this demo, we are representing a healthcare organization with a single campus titled Health Network. If we click on Health Network, it will show the details regarding the campus location as well as tabs to view associated users, documents, assets, fixed assets, and event approvers, which we will talk about later in the video. After creating all top-level locations, we create the next lower-level locations and so on and so forth until all of our levels for each campus have entries. In this healthcare organization example, let's say we want to add a new pediatric center building. To create a new location, we have to identify which location will be its parent. In this case, the Health Network campus would be the Pediatric Center's parent location. We have to right-click on the Health Network location and click Add New Location. We will call this location Pediatric Center. And then we decide generally which users should be associated with this location. Because this is a new building, we will select No One so we can manually assign the employees that will be working there. We have the option to enter person capacity and address for this location, as well as the option to select a location owner. Location owners have a role in the room reservation process for facility events, should the customer be subscribed to the Ware event scheduling module. Additionally, documents can be uploaded to the new pediatric center, such as floor plans, key registries, or evacuation plans. When we're done filling out the required information, we'll click Add to add the new location. Once created, we are given options to edit the location's assigned users. Users that are assigned to a location can select that location when filling out forms and allows them to view records associated with it. Users are organized by their user group and can be assigned as a group or individually. The Assets and the Fixed Assets tab, if you're subscribed to the Fixed Assets module, will be available to view all the associated assets assigned to the location. If a location has an owner, we can decide who will be the approving authorities when someone tries to reserve it for an event. Approvers can be marked as CC only. This means they do not have approving authority, but will be copied on email notifications regarding approval status changes. Approving authority for a location is determined by the lowest level in its hierarchy that has designated approvers. Here's a diagram to help with this concept. Typically, rooms are being reserved. If a room level location does not have designated approvers, but the campus and building that the room belongs to do, the building level approvers would be the authority for that room because they are the lowest level with approving authority in the room's location hierarchy. The bottom of the hierarchy is always the location in question for reservation. If a building were being reserved, its hierarchy would consist of the building and its higher level locations, in this case a campus location. The lower of the two, with designated approvers, would be the authority for that building. If you would like to omit a location from being used by Ware users, or if a location is not part of the organization anymore, it can be blocked or deleted. Locations can also be edited, deleted, or blocked by right-clicking on the location name in the tree navigation area. And that's the basics. Pretty simple. To learn more about location management, please contact our support team at qwaresupport@cscos.com or call 1-888-697-2811. Stay tuned for next month's tech tip. I'll be going over how to set up and manage user groups. Thanks.